If your car says, "System update is not available," see your dealer. Don't go to the dealer yet. Most of the time, this is something you can reset yourself. And it only takes a few minutes. This message usually shows up when the car tried to update its software, and something interrupted it. Maybe the battery voltage dropped. Maybe the update stopped halfway. Or maybe the system just froze for a moment. Cars today are basically computers. And sometimes they just need a restart. So let's reset it properly. First, turn the car completely off. Not accessory mode. Fully off. Open the driver's door. And just wait. Give it about 5 to 10 minutes. What you're doing here is letting every module inside the car fully shut down. Let the car go to sleep. After that, start it again normally. In many cases, the message is gone. If it's still there, there's another reset that works very well. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait around 10 minutes, then reconnect it. This forces the system to reboot completely. Like restarting a frozen computer. Start the car again, and check the screen. Very often, that clears it. Now, if your car updates through Wi-Fi, go into your system settings. Make sure the car is connected to internet. And try the update again. Important, keep the engine running during the update. If the car shuts off during an update, that's exactly how this message appears in the first place. Most of the time, that's it. No parts needed. No expensive repair. Just a reset. You only really need the dealer. If the system won't turn on at all, the screen stays black, or the message keeps coming back repeatedly. But if the car drives normally, it's almost always just a software glitch. So before spending money, try the reset. And if you want help specific to your vehicle, comment your car's make, model, and year. And I'll tell you exactly what works best for your car.